Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Wildwood X-Lite. This is a toy hauler, model 251 SS. Yep, a toy hauler from Wildwood. We've had great luck since they came out with these. Some of the things on this unit that we're going to go over, like the T6 aluminum that's never going to warp or delam, like fiberglass might. You've got power hitch jack. We've got locking storage compartments, solar ready, plug and play, point your solar panel at the sun, you're off grid. Strong arm jacks on all four corners. We've got an LED light rope across the front underneath your big awning with outside speakers so you can really chill out front when you're done riding for the day. Our rear ramp has the rounded corners. No ankle biters here. When you walk by a sharp corner like that, it can really sting, but those just don't do it. Outside showers here, water fill, plug in, black tank flush, and access to our dump valves. Let's take a look at the inside. Have the solid step. We like those because they, as the name implies, very solid. Here's the model right over here, 251 SSXL. Step inside, and there you can see nice color combos. You have this kind of gray going on with like a tan on the walls. The patterned flooring, tie downs built right in. Furniture consists of a side couch that folds up away so you can bring your toy in, or you can put it down the couch position or in a bed position. Cocktail tables, cocktail chairs, it can all go forward when you bring the toys inside. You do have a Power Queen bed up here, light built in right underneath. Of course, it's ducted AC throughout. Lots of cabinets for storage. If you got riding gear, you know how vital that is. We have a Furrion receiver over here. More storage up above. Roller blinds throughout this RV. We've got, for a galley, a Furrion oven, 3-burner stove, microwave over the top, dual basin sink, silverware drawers, real plywood, ball bearing roller guides, brushed aluminum on the Dometic refrigerator, pantry storage. The bathroom, it's an all-in-one, features foot flush toilet, Neo style shower with a magnetic door, has a skylight above, and power exhaust vent. Sink, vanity mirror. And finally, up front, a queen bed, walk around. Most desirable setup to have in a toy hauler or in most RVs as far as that goes, because you can approach the bed from both sides rather than just one on a corner bed. Plug-ins on both sides, USB over here, spot for a TV, and it is right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com, Coos Bay.